Have you ever wondered what the fastest way to lower your creatinine levels and heal your kidneys naturally is? If so, you're definitely in the right place. Because in today's video, we're revealing something incredibly simple yet powerful. A tea that could truly be a game changer for your kidney health. Here's a stat that might surprise you. According to the National Kidney Foundation, 1 in 3 American adults is at risk for chronic kidney disease. This isn't just a number, it's a massive wake-up call. And understanding how to manage your kidney function and creatinine levels naturally could make all the difference. Now, imagine starting your day with a warm, soothing tea that not only tastes good, but also helps your kidneys do their job better. You'll feel healthier, more energized, and most importantly, you'll be taking an active step to protect your kidneys. No prescription needed. So, what's the secret? Well, I'm about to share with you a lineup of kidney-saving teas that you can easily find in your local supermarket or online. These aren't exotic herbs or hard-to-find remedies. These are accessible, natural teas that can make a serious impact on your creatinine levels, inflammation, and overall kidney function. Let's jump right in. Moringa tea. First up, we have the legendary Moringa tea. If you're dealing with diabetes, high blood pressure, or just want to give your kidneys a serious wellness boost, Moringa might just be your new best friend. Moringa oleifera, native to India but now grown across Asia, Africa, and South America, has exploded in popularity for good reason. You can find Moringa tea in most health stores, supermarkets, or online, and it's loaded with compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and isothiocyanates, which are all natural anti-inflammatories. That's huge for anyone with chronic kidney disease, since inflammation plays a major role in kidney damage. What's more, Moringa tea helps lower blood pressure, supports blood sugar balance, and is rich in antioxidants that improve kidney function. Now you might ask, can I just take a Moringa supplement? Sure, but drinking it as a tea unlocks better bioavailability. That means your body can actually absorb and use the nutrients more effectively. Want to supercharge your Moringa tea? Add a small teaspoon of coconut oil and a tiny pinch of black pepper. Why? Because the main antioxidant in Moringa, quercetin, isn't well absorbed on its own. But with healthy fat and black pepper, your body absorbs it much more efficiently. That turns a good tea into a potent healing elixir. 2. Dandelion leaf and root tea. Next on our list is the humble but powerful dandelion tea, made from either the root or the leaf, or sometimes both. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dandelions? Aren't those just weeds? Well, they might grow in your backyard, but scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, this plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research is finally catching up. Dandelion tea is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body eliminate excess fluid and sodium through urine. That's a big deal when it comes to lowering creatinine levels and reducing fluid retention, especially in those with impaired kidney function. Dandelion also contains chlorogenic acid and chichoric acid, which help regulate blood sugar and may protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Add in its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and you've got a powerful ally in your fight against kidney issues. Another bonus health tip here is this. Dandelion tea may also help with lowering blood pressure, another key factor in maintaining kidney health. But here's the thing, dandelion contains some potassium, so if your potassium levels are already too high, this may not be the tea for you. But don't worry, I've got a potassium-free option coming up next that's just as powerful for your kidneys. For now, though, if you're cleared to consume dandelion tea, it's a simple and effective way to support kidney health, and it's available in most grocery stores and herbal aisles. These are not just healthy teas, they're backed by science and packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and benefits for everything from urinary tract infections, UTIs, to blood pressure, BP, to creatinine levels. If you're serious about healing your kidneys and living a healthier, more energized life, don't miss the next segment. And if you found this helpful so far, go ahead and subscribe, and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear which tea you're most excited to try first, and let's keep being healthy and healing naturally. Next on the list are ginger and turmeric tea, and this duo might just be the most powerful combo you didn't know your kidneys needed. Conveniently sold in prepackaged tea bags at most supermarkets, this tea offers a double dose of kidney-friendly power, especially for people living with chronic kidney disease. Let's start with ginger. This incredible root has been praised for generations in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Ginger helps regulate blood sugar, which is huge for anyone managing diabetes, a leading cause of kidney problems. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, fights off fluid retention, and may even contribute to slightly lowering blood pressure. Not bad for something you can toss into a teacup. Now pair that with turmeric, and you're stepping into real magic. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation on par with over-the-counter meds, but without the harmful side effects. One of the standout benefits of curcumin is its ability to lower proteinuria, excess protein in the urine, a common symptom in CKD patients. So, who should consider drinking this tea daily? I strongly recommend it for anyone dealing with chronic inflammation. That includes folks battling constant fatigue, joint pain, stiffness, or tendinitis. If you're nodding your head right now, this tea should be in your kitchen. And here's a bonus. Ginger also relieves nausea, a common symptom many CKD patients face. A tea that helps reduce pain, cuts inflammation, and eases nausea? That's a triple win. Your neighbors might start calling you a wizard once they hear about all the benefits packed into your daily mug. One important pro tip though, turmeric's curcumin isn't very bioavailable on its own. To fix that, always add a pinch of black pepper to your tea. Black pepper contains piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin more effectively. It's a small step, but it makes a massive difference in the benefits you'll actually get. Now let's talk about our next superstar kidney health tea, peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is a personal favorite of mine, not just because it smells amazing and tastes fresh, but because it actually does your kidneys a world of good. Peppermint tea is especially helpful for people dealing with fluid retention or urinary tract infections. Peppermint leaves contain compounds like menthol and menthone, which not only give the tea its signature cooling sensation, but also offer anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and gentle diuretic properties. That means it can help flush out toxins, reduce swelling, and gently support kidney detox. People with diabetes may also benefit, as peppermint tea has been found to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption, both critical to supporting kidney health over time. But where peppermint tea really shines is its antibacterial effects, especially for UTIs. If you've ever struggled with recurring infections, this tea could be exactly what your kidneys have been craving. Just be sure you're buying real peppermint tea, not a green tea that's just peppermint flavored. You can find pure peppermint tea in most grocery stores or even make it fresh at home using peppermint leaves. Ready for more? Let's move to the top 3 most powerful kidney-saving teas you can find at your local supermarket. Number 5 is hibiscus tea. I recommend hibiscus tea to every single CKD patient I've ever worked with, and not just because it tastes incredible. Hibiscus tea is loaded with antioxidants, easy to brew, and available in nearly every grocery store aisle. What makes this tea truly stand out is how it supports natural blood pressure regulation. And if you're living with CKD, you already know that high blood pressure is one of the biggest threats to your kidney function. Many patients rely on medications like ACE inhibitors, ARBs, and diuretics to keep it under control. But here's the catch. The more dependent you are on those medications, the less likely your kidneys will recover. Hibiscus tea offers a natural, side effect-free way to help lower blood pressure, and when used consistently, it may actually reduce your need for medication. That's not just my opinion. It's backed by studies and supported by countless stories from kidney patients who've seen results firsthand. So yes, it may look like an ordinary tea box sitting on the shelf, but trust me, hibiscus tea is a hidden gem when it comes to naturally lowering creatinine levels and improving kidney function. If you're not drinking it yet, now's the time to start. But hold on, There's one more tea that might just outperform hibiscus in the antioxidant department. If you're serious about improving your kidney function through diet, it's essential to focus on daily antioxidant intake. Why? Because antioxidants fight the oxidative stress that damages kidney cells. And did you know that for many people, tea and beverages contribute up to 80% of their total antioxidant intake each day? That's where green tea comes in. And yes, I mean plain unsweetened green tea. Green tea is hands down one of the most powerful antioxidant-rich teas you can drink. It's ideal for morning routines, and unlike some other health drinks, it actually tastes great once you get used to it. If hibiscus is the heart-healthy hero, green tea is the Wolverine of antioxidant defense. Its main antioxidant, EGCG, epigallocatechin galati, has been shown to improve blood sugar levels, support heart health, lower blood pressure, and, most importantly, protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. It's particularly helpful for people with diabetes, a major driver of CKD progression. If caffeine is a concern, don't worry. You can always get decaffeinated green tea, and it still retains most of its benefits. One final tip: add a squeeze of lemon juice to your green tea. This helps boost the bioavailability of those powerful catechins by up to 5 times. That's a simple hack for getting the most kidney protective punch from every cup. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse. No jokes here. Green tea isn't just another healthy beverage. It's a powerhouse packed with polyphenols, especially EGCG, a potent compound that's been shown to deliver massive benefits for those living with diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney concerns. EGCG isn't just a buzzword. It helps reduce inflammation, protects your kidneys, supports heart health, and even aids in weight loss. Studies show it can significantly improve fasting blood glucose levels, making it a go-to option for people managing diabetes alongside kidney function. And here's the beauty of green tea: it's incredibly versatile. Don't want caffeine? No problem. You can easily find decaffeinated green tea at most supermarkets and online. But here's a vital tip: those amazing catechins in green tea, they're not easily absorbed by your body on their own. To truly unlock their power, just add a little lemon juice to your cup. That simple splash of citrus can multiply the absorption of green tea's antioxidants up to 5 times. That's a small change for a big reward. Garlic and ginger tea, the homemade kidney saver. Now, let's talk about something special. Our 7th and final tea. It's not in the tea aisle, but you'll find its ingredients in the produce section. Or maybe you already have them sitting in your kitchen right now. This isn't just a tea. It's a homemade remedy that's so effective for kidney health, I couldn't keep it off the list. Let me introduce you to garlic and ginger tea. This one takes just 10 minutes to prepare and can be sipped throughout the day for maximum benefits. First, you'll need 2 to 4 fresh garlic cloves. Peel them, crush them slightly, and toss them into a saucepan of water. Garlic isn't just flavorful, it's a research-backed superfood for kidney patients. It can help lower blood pressure and regulate blood sugar almost as effectively as metformin, but without the side effects. That's a big win if you're managing CKD or diabetes. Next, toss in a few slices of fresh ginger, about 3 to 4 grams. Ginger amps up the anti-inflammatory and digestive support while also mellowing out the strong flavor of garlic. It's also great for relieving nausea, a common issue for many kidney patients. Now it's time for the secret sauce: lemon juice. Juice 3 fresh lemons after rolling them on the counter to get the most juice out. Lemon is one of the most alkalizing foods on the planet, and it's powerful for kidney detox. When you combine lemon with garlic, you're also helping your body manage cholesterol naturally. Finally, add a dash of cinnamon. This spice isn't just for flavor. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and support stable blood sugar levels. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, let it simmer, and then enjoy it warm or cool throughout the day. Garlic is really the star of this show, but every ingredient in this blend plays a key role in making this one of the most kidney-friendly drinks you can make at home. It's like giving your kidneys a natural daily detox. No chemicals, no fancy supplements, just real food working with your body.